Welcome to this Literacy Shared Adobe Express challenge. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to design an alien hexapod using artificial intelligence for Pandora Discovered. If you need free Adobe Express for Education accounts for your school, visit the link on screen, and there you'll also find all the other free things we do for schools like live lessons, teacher training, and lesson packs. Let's get on with the challenge. Let's create our very own alien for Pandora Discovered by going to the plus on the top left. I'm going to go for a square. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. And first thing we're going to do is go to Elements, Backgrounds. Because it's an alien, I'm looking for a space background. Okay, lots to choose from here. This one looks cool to me. Right, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename my project. So let's pop that in there, Pandora Alien. And then we're going to go to Media, Text to Image. I'm going to match it to my project, which is already a square. So let's go to Square here and then put my prompt in. Now, you want to be really specific with your prompt. So I've got lots of detail in there. And I've started off by saying full-length body image of a green alien insect. That's important so you can get all the details in there. In terms of content, you can go for graphic. You can put it on auto as well. That's good just to see what it gives you. And then go to Generate. Nice. I really like these. You can cycle through to see which one suits you best. Do you know why? I think this one's the one I want. So I'm just going to click to the side so that I commit to that one. I'm going to resize it slightly. I want to leave some space around the sides. I'm going to put lots of bits of text in. So I'll start off and put it right in the middle and see how that goes.
Hey, I hope you're having fun so far. Teachers, if you'd like a PDF mapping this activity to the NCCE Teach Computing curriculum, follow the link that's on screen now. Okay, back to the challenge.
Right, let's start labeling by going to Text, Add your text, and I'm going to call mine the Green Exoprober. Next up, I think I'll go to Text Layouts and make it dynamic. There we go. Now we can start playing around with this. Put this right at the top. Yeah, maybe it needs a little bit of space from the sides. And in order to make this stand out, I'm going to go to Shape down here. That one's not bad. I think I'm going to give it a full box. But then I'm going to click the sliders right in the middle of that. Change the text fill to white. White is always in the top left here. And then I'm going to go to Shape Fill. And you know what? I think we're going to match it to a green that we've already got on the page. Maybe one of the darker greens by using the dropper tool. That looks pretty good to me. Or maybe it needs to be slightly lighter. Yeah, nice. I think that's great. I can resize it if I want to just give it a little bit of space from the alien itself by using the arrow tool there. That looks great. Okay, let's start labeling. So go to Add your text again, or even what you can do is select what you've already made, go to the More button and press Duplicate. And then you'll keep the same kind of style that you've had in everything else. You can highlight the text. Maybe the dynamic doesn't really work so well for this, so I'm going to take that off and just go to default text. Then it's going to start doing funny things with the size of the box, so let's change that and then pop it in where we want it to be. Now, I think what I'm going to do here is change the color of the shape because I want it to be different to the title. So I'll go there, go to Shape, Fill. Maybe, yeah, that pink is that's a really good one to help it stand out. And again, once you've got that box made, you probably want to copy that sort of style. So I'm going to select it, 3 buttons, duplicate, and then you can start positioning this in different places. Let me duplicate more of them. And once you've got them roughly in position, all you need to do is select the text and change your text, and it will resize the box for you. So let's do that for all of them. Sometimes you might have to extend the box in order for it to fit in a nicer way. Once you've got all your text in there, you can start moving these around and also deleting any boxes you don't need just by clicking and pressing the bin button. And there we go. I think I'll just make that one a little bit bigger down the bottom just for a little bit of variation. And there we go, you're done. Once you've finished, you can download it by using the download button here. It'll download with the name you gave to your project. And then you can also press share You can add people to contribute on that file by adding in their email addresses. You can send it to Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, or create a view-only link, which you can copy, hop into a new screen, and share with whoever you like. And that's how you create your very own insect alien using Adobe Express and artificial intelligence text to image.